Welcome back. Before entering the new year 2009, a quick look at the happenings of year 2008. Let's march forward to the coming year with the hope of prosperity and peace. MAPSA Congress Committee Minority Department celebrated Christmas at MAPSA in a united feeling. Here is a report.
Minority Department say that crib which is displayed next to Duler Chapel is a symbol of unity among the society.
आणि आमच्या लोकांना सांगू शकता की आम्ही हे पुढे एकजूट राहूया आणि आमच्या कंट्रीक दाखवून दिवया की टेररिस्ट आहा हे आहा तांकां दाखवून दिवया की आमी हेंच्या ह्या बारीक बारीक टेररिस्ट अटॅकाक आमी भिवचे ना आणि हे आमी एकजूट आहा आणि एकजूटूच उरतले.
Our reporter from MAPSA, Shamsundar Farte.
Goa Cricket Association's Under-16 School Cricket Tournament in memory of late Goan cricketer Dilip Sardesai got underway in Porvorim on Wednesday. Applauding the budding cricketing talents from Goa, Rajdeep Sardesai, son of Dilip Sardesai, said that day is not far when Goa would win the Ranji Trophy, which was his father Dilip Sardesai's dream.
60 teams from all over Goa are participating in this tournament. The inaugural ceremony of the tournament was attended by Nandini Sardesai, wife of late Shri Dilip Sardesai, and their son Rajdeep Sardesai. Late Dilip Sardesai is the only Goan-born cricketer who played for India at international level. President of Goa Cricket Association, Dayanand Narvekar, too remained present at the function. Rajdeep Sardesai, who heads one of the leading English news channels in India, termed the starting of the tournament in his father's name as a memorable moment for his family.
Much like President Kalam has a 2020 vision, I think Mr. Narvekar should have a 2018 vision that 10 years from now, Goa should win the Ranji Trophy. I think that should be the aim. And it's not impossible anymore, given the talent that is coming through various systems in the state. One reads the kind of performances that are now taking place, and it's clear that there's a new energy in Goa cricket.
And every year Goa Cricket Association will dedicate takeaway trophies so that boys who are just playing under 16 will always remember late Dilip Sardesai and try to learn many things from his achievements in cricketing career.
Rajdeep also added that if Ranchi can produce Mahendra Singh Dhoni, then Goa too can produce a world-class cricketers in coming few years. Talent for cricket is there in Goa, and late Dilip Sardesai too wanted more Goans in Team India to earn name for the state. Our reporter from Porvorim, Manoj Arolkar and Rakesh Kandolkar.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Security thrown to winds. Except Patra Devi, no exit, no entry points on northern border are guarded. 80 workers of Sargaonkar Mining Company arrested and released. DYSP Deo Benalikar apologized for his action against madrasa girls. It's welcome 2009 as world gets up to another year full of hopes and aspirations. And Dilip Sardesai Memorial Tournament begins in Porvorim. And with this we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.